Alright, welcome back everybody. So we're just kind of cruising to the stand right now. I'm with my brother today. I went out with my buddy Dylan yesterday, and unfortunately we just didn't have the best of luck. We didn't really see anything. Not a lot was moving. Super windy day yesterday, but also with that we did kind of go into an area where I kind of had a feeling some deer would be bedded down, and sure enough there was like 10-11 does bedded in that area. I think they're taking a lot of hunting pressure at this point and just kind of bedding down with that, and the weather, especially with yesterday. It's not as windy as yesterday, so hopefully that'll help us out. We're gonna go try an area, a stand that is actually my cousin Jerry's stand, and I've never hunted it before this year. So we're gonna go sit in that. It's nice and cozy. So we're gonna sit in that and hopefully just knock a doe today. So a little bit of snow on the ground today, a little bit more snow last night, but not too much, so should be an easy tracking job if we actually do hit one, so stay tuned. Yep. What do you got, dude?
I'm pretty sure. I know I've seen a deer. It's just a matter of which direction she was going.
So apparently we've got a deer that Cody's seen up on this ridge up here, boys. Alright guys, so we're in the stand right now. We've been in here since probably like 6 o'clock-ish, somewhere around there we got into the stand. We're just sitting here chilling, waiting for something to come through. We haven't seen anything this morning. Lots of squirrels, lots of birds moving around. The wind is definitely not what it was yesterday. Yesterday it was super windy out, which I think brought down the movement a lot. But we haven't seen anything yet this morning. Hopefully something comes through. Really hoping so. It's the last day of gun season here, of the 9-day gun season here in Wisconsin. So like I said, hopefully something comes through. We're just going to kind of hunker down here, wait. If we do not see anything, we're going to try a spot where we kicked out some deer yesterday. It's pretty common for deer to kind of sit in that area, so this time we'll kind of set up a little better for kind of walking through that area. But like I said, hopefully something just comes through here, so we're just going to kind of hunker down and see what happens. Alright everybody, so my brother is getting a little antsy, guys. So he is actually going to be walking and trying to push some deer this way. I kind of gave him an idea of where to be walking. He kind of knows the layout. Basically what he's going to do is he's going to make he's going to go up onto this hill that's over to my right here, and he's going to walk the one side of the hill and kind of loop around like a big loop. So basically, hopefully if there's any deer in between the loop and where I'm at, they kind of come pushing this way. If there is any deer in that area, they will come this way. Once I see that he's kind of starting to work that ridge top or that hill over there, I'll kind of open up the window here and just get ready. So I might, once I know that he's in place, I'll probably just kind of position the camera facing out this window, because if anything comes, it's going to be kind of coming a little, trotting or running, so I'm going to have to be just ready to shoot. So that's what we're doing. We're going to see if that works, and then we'll probably, kind of walk around and try some different areas. I don't know. A lot of these deer could be just bedded down with the hunting pressure and stuff, guys. So we're just going to try to see what we can make happen here. It's the last day. Usually around this time, deer just are hunkered down, man. They're just, the best time to hunt is probably in the evenings, just on a hot food source, but we got a lot of snow coming down here right now. I didn't realize it was supposed to snow this much, but we'll see what happens. Alright, so a little update for you guys. Obviously, you guys heard a couple shots. They were not from me. They were from my brother. I told you guys that he was going to kind of walk up and around, and I had a feeling, well, my uncle, Jody, had told me that he kind of walked back there before earlier in the gun season and found a bunch of does kind of bedding in that area. So I kind of had a feeling that they might be over there, but I kind of had a feeling that if they were, that they would get pushed this way. But he did take a couple shots at a doe. He thinks he might have hit her. So what he's gonna do right now is he's gonna track, see if he's got blood. I'm just gonna sit tight yet because there's no need for me to go over there yet, unless he's got a good hit. So he's gonna check. It sounds like he doesn't sound too sure if he hit her, but he thinks he might have. So we're gonna give him some time to kind of figure out what's going on over there. He's not too far away. But I'm just going to sit tight and kind of hunker down, and maybe something will come through in the meantime. And if he got a doe down, he's got a doe down. But we'll find out here. All right, guys, so I did just get off the phone with my brother. He said that he just found blood. So what we're going to do is I got packed up already, and I'm going to head over there right now. He's not that far away from me, so it shouldn't take very long to get over there. But he says that he's got blood, so this is a good sign, and we'll hopefully recover the deer. See if we can find that deer. It'll be his first deer in quite some time. So happy for him, stoked for him, and hopefully everything works out and find this deer. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so we got first blood there, and it looks like there's a bunch right through here. Lots of blood, so it should be along here somewhere. I have blood right there too.
Follows the thing, looks like.
And she goes down this valley, and I doubt she's going to want to go up it if she's hit that hard. She's bleeding pretty good as she goes up this. She went down this valley, guys, and went right back up the other side, but it's decent blood, so keep tracking her. So we found her. Here she be.
Been following the blood trail for a while now.
Yeah, we've been following this blood trail for some time, guys, but this is the doe. I know she ain't the biggest doe, but it's the first deer you shot in like 5 years, huh?
Yeah, well, yeah. It's been it's been really sparse and really hard.
Congrats, bud. He's happy. You know what? It's his first year down in some years here, so that's meat in the freezer for him. That was the most important thing. All right, guys, so there you have it. There is the doe. We're gonna get a picture with him with this deer here. Like I said, guys, this is the first one he shot in like 5 years, guys. It's been some time since he shot one. He's stoked about it. He doesn't sound stoked about it, but he is. He just doesn't get excited about things super much. But you know what? It's meat in the freezer. That's most important to him. I've still got a good chunk, and there's still plenty of late season bow hunting for me to do yet. So we're just gonna get this one gutted out here and into the truck, and then we'll talk to you guys one last time before we leave. And yeah, so I think, guys, this is actually where I'm going to leave you guys. So this was the last day of the 2019 9-day gun season here in Wisconsin, guys. I seen a lot of action opening weekend, and I didn't get a chance, unfortunately, to get out and do any hunting during the weekend. We came out this weekend, went out yesterday, did not see any deer. So the only time we did see deer yesterday is when we kind of pushed a little area and we kicked some up. So today we got out, we started kind of moving around, and Cody came across a group where I kind of said, like, be weary because I think deer might be over there bedding or just kind of grazing because it's in a thick spot. And sure enough, that's what happened. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.